All right, welcome back. Got another package here. And this one is from Scotty over at Outdoor Addiction. And let's open it up and see what we got. Just use the Yeah, he had this up for sale for a while. I was looking at it, really wanted it, and finally when I decided to get it, it was pretty much at a steal. So here it is. A new to me, but pretty much new. He used it a couple times. A custom X-Pack material in the gray. There it is. A new ULA Photon. If you guys have watched my channel before, you know I have a Photon. It's just a regular stock one, and it actually has a large hip belt, and since I've lost some weight, it doesn't fit me anymore. So figured I'd pick this up to replace it. This thing's just awesome. Has a waterproof zippers on it. Custom pieces here. It has all the straps and everything. It's really cool. Like I said, glad I can add it to my collection. Alright guys, here it is. Love that gray. Has just like every other pack, has the same material, the stretchy pocket here, bungee, and I threw my 0 degree Cedar Ridge quilt in here real quick. And yeah, it's pretty much all I can say. I've already done a review on it with my last one here. Here's a regular robotic material compared to the X-Pack material. So yeah, a lot of customization to this pack. I'll put the weights of the X-Pack material one and the weights of the regular one in the, maybe at the end or in the comments or up here somewhere. But that's all I got for you for right now. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.